Congressman, you seem so fired up about this. What's your interest in this? Kasi sabi mo, di ba, bumalik ka na sa private sector.
Because, Reg, I hate it. Pag may gumagawa ng spin sa storya, nabansa na natin ang nakataya. Di ba? Ayoko talaga ma-involve. Nung si Gutesa nagsalita, nung sinabi niya to, hindi ko alam ang gagawin ko kung ilalabas ko siya kay Marcoleta at madadamay na naman ako. Di ba parang kung gusto natin talagang tingnan kung anong nangyayari, tingnan nila lahat nung sinabi ni Alcantara, ni Bernardo, ni Diskaya, ni Gutesa. At kailangan tanggalin na yung storya na gusto nilang palabasin. Wala nang ganun. Ano talaga yung storya dito? Gutesa is saying may pera siyang dinideliver. Ito yung mga tao na kasama niya. Patawag nila. Ngayon magdidebate tayo sa notaryo. Hindi ko maintindihan yun. Okay, sige, later on ayusin natin to. Pero ang importante makuha natin, nasan yung mga taong yan at totoo ba itong sinasabi nila?
Yes, correct. And again, coming back to the point, yung issue with the notary kasi speaks to his credibility. But anyways, sorry to ask the last question very bluntly, but nobody is pushing you to do this, to be involved in this flood control investigation, sir. Kasi yun yung sinasabi ng iba.
It is now the responsibility. Hindi ako nagmamalines. Wala akong pagmamalines. I'm not saying that I did this, I did that, I'm not like this, I'm not like that. Grabe na nangyari sa bansa natin. Ibang klase na yung korupsyon. Ibang klase na yung nakawan. Dapat naman may managot.
And again, you're doing this on your own accord? You're not part of any group?
You know, Reg, to say that somebody's behind me, I
No,
don't
no,
need
no, I'm
anyone
just
to be
asking.
behind me.
Yeah, I'm just asking.
I don't need anyone to be behind me.